Luxury, power, innovation. When you think of a flagship SUV that blends all three, one name immediately comes to mind: the BMW X7. But in 2026, BMW has taken things to an entirely new level. With futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and performance that feels like driving the future, this SUV is not just big in size, it's big in statement. But the real question is, does the 2026 BMW X7 live up to its bold promise? Let's find out! Exterior design. From the very first glance, the 2026 BMW X7 makes its presence known. The front fascia is dominated by BMW's iconic kidney grille, reimagined in a bold, futuristic design. It's flanked by triple-stacked LED light bars, giving the SUV a sharp, high-tech identity that instantly sets it apart on the road. The sleek headlights and sculpted hood flow seamlessly into muscular character lines along the side profile. From the side, the proportions are perfectly balanced, long, elegant, yet undeniably powerful. The chrome accents along the window line add sophistication, while the massive, multi-spoke alloy wheels emphasize its sporty nature. And at the rear, you're greeted with a connected light bar that stretches across the width of the SUV, seamlessly merging into the bold X7 emblem at the center. Quad exhaust tips remind you that this is not just a luxury SUV, it's a performance machine. But here's the thing. BMW didn't just design the X7 to look futuristic. They engineered every detail with purpose. And when you see what's inside, you'll understand exactly what I mean. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a space that feels like a luxury lounge from the future. The first thing you notice is the ambient lighting. Thin strips of LED accents glow along the dashboard, doors, and even footwells, creating an atmosphere that's both calming and futuristic. The centerpiece is the massive curved digital display, stretching across the dashboard. It integrates the driver's cluster and infotainment seamlessly, providing crisp visuals, intuitive navigation, and real-time vehicle data. The navigation system itself is sharper than ever, with augmented reality overlays guiding you directly on the road ahead. Seats are finished in quilted premium leather, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available at the touch of a button. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. They enjoy individual climate zones, entertainment screens, and reclining seat options. Performance. Luxury is great, but let's not forget what BMW is truly known for: performance. The 2026 X7 comes with multiple engine options, including a twin-turbocharged inline-six and a monstrous V8 that pushes out staggering horsepower. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the X7 grips the road with confidence, whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads. And when you hit the accelerator, the surge of power reminds you this SUV is as much about thrill as it is about comfort. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The X7 isn't just about raw power. BMW has packed in hybrid technology to give you both performance and efficiency. So how does that change the driving experience? Safety and driver assistance. BMW has always placed safety at the core of its vehicles, and the 2026 X7 takes it to new heights. Equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, collision prevention, lane keeping assist, and even night vision with pedestrian detection, this SUV feels like it's watching out for you at all times. But here's the million-dollar question. At a time when electric and hybrid SUVs are rapidly taking over, is the 2026 BMW X7 the last of the luxury giants or the beginning of a new era? Let's wrap this up. So that's our deep dive into the all-new 2026 BMW X7. From its futuristic design to its advanced technology and thrilling performance, this SUV truly redefines what luxury driving means in today's world. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. And most importantly, let us know in the comments, do you think the X7 is the ultimate luxury SUV of 2026? Or would you choose something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.